welcome to my channel. This is Hyla from H. Cooper Crafty Bug, and this is just a short video showing you how I make some quick thank you cards to throw in on with my Etsy orders. So, well, even if they weren't Etsy orders, anything that I'm shipping, like custom made orders, I try to make it look cute when they open the package, and then I want a little thank you card. So I just print these out on cardstock, and I'm just designing from CANVA, and this is just the free CANVA version, so anyone can get this. And last year I did completely different ones, but I'll put like 6 to 1 sheet of cardstock, so they're easy to cut out and just throw one in there. And then, you know, if you want to write something on the back side, you can. And I'm just scrolling through the different free thank yous. You see the ones with the gold crown under them. Those are the ones you have to purchase. The premium, I think is what they call it. So you can't get those for free. It's just the ones that don't have any crown or anything under them. And if you click on them, it'll put it on your screen, but it'll say that you have to purchase. So I'm just scrolling through and seeing what they have available. But I really like the one at the top, but I kind of wanted to show you some different options. But I'll print these out on different colors of cardstock. Last year I printed in different colors, and then so some of them didn't turn out real well because I would print them out on colored cardstock as well. So this year I'm just printing black ink. See, that one's really pretty, and I'm going to do something similar to that, but I'll just design it myself. I really like that thank you. And then I'm going to search for like a flower wreath and see what they have for free on that. And they have several that are really pretty. I don't want to get too flowery and colory. I really like that lavender one at the top, but I don't think it'll print real well on colored cardstock. So I'm going for something more simple like that. There's that lavender one I really like, but for this, if I was printing it on white cardstock, for sure I would use that. But those two are very simple, and they'll print well with just black ink. So I'm just going to adjust them, resize them to how I think I need them. Like I said, I want to get 6 to a sheet, and then I'll cut them. And I don't cut them perfectly or anything like that. This is something really quick that I do. It just adds a little something extra to let them know I'm thankful for them ordering from me, and to make it, I like when they open the box to have tissue paper and then have the little crinkle paper, the colored paper, and just make it feel kind of like they're opening a gift of sorts. So having that card in there too on top that says thank you, it just adds a little something extra. So you don't have to do anything real time consuming and, you know, spend a lot of money. You can do simple things just to make it a little bit extra. I know some people do, like, they have business cards and things like that, and that's great too. I just haven't gotten into, I have some business cards, but they don't have like my Etsy information and stuff like that. And I think they have my home phone number instead of my Google number. So I don't want to be giving that out all over the place. So, well, yeah, I don't throw in business cards, but if you have some business cards made up with if you have a website, if you have an Etsy shop, and all that kind of stuff, yeah, I could definitely throw that in too. You can get envelopes and put all this stuff in envelopes and really make it look special. So just however you want to do it. This is just something very simple, and it, like I said, it just adds a little something extra in there. And you can adjust the colors. So if you're not familiar with CANVA, it's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly, super simple to learn. You can see how you duplicate, how you can change colors. Let's see, easy. And I'm not making sure that they're all perfect in a perfect spot. You know, they're gonna, as long as there's space between them where I can cut between them, that's great. And they turned out really pretty, which you saw them at the very beginning. And I ended up just using pastel colors of cardstock because with the black ink, I figured the pastel colors, they would pop a lot better. So, and they did turn out really well. I was really happy with them. I'm just trying to adjust the thank you. I want to make sure the thank you doesn't blend in too much with the wreath. And here's how, like if I printed it out on pink or purple, that kind of shows you what it would look like. Yellow. So that's why I did that, just to show you, kind of show you what it'll look like. You can do that and see, give yourself an idea of what it's going to look like. And I just named it so it wouldn't save as whatever it was, untitled or whatever. I'm going to print it. And I'm going to print a few of them. I ended up printing 6 of them in different shades of pastels. So here they are. Just show you how easy they are to cut. Just make sure that it's in the center and I'm not cutting through the design. You see they're not all the same exact size. That doesn't matter. They're only going to get one, so it doesn't matter which side or that they're all the same or anything like that. These are just getting thrown in the top of the box, so they're not going in an envelope or anything like that, so they don't have to be sized perfectly or anything. I'm just grabbing some more off the printer. See, there's pink and lavender. So I did blue, yellow, pink, and lavender. And I thought they turned out really cute. And you could go all out and make like actual cards and really go, but you know, I'm just trying to do something that's easy and cost effective, and that adds a little something that I can print quickly when I run out of them, because you know how busy it is during homecoming season. So if I run out, I can print several more real quickly and cut them up real quickly. Not a lot of work. So if you have time to make up a bunch of thank you cards beforehand, that's great. Yeah, I can't do that. I would like to make some special ones for like the return customers for like their senior years and stuff. And I do usually write like a really nice message. You know, I usually add something, some personalized, but especially for the ones that have been coming to me for years and it's their last year, I would like to do like a special, but getting it done, I just don't know if I'll actually be able to get it done. And the last 2. So I can cut 2 at a time on here. 3 is really too much. It won't cut through. But this thing, I've had it forever. I think I've changed the blade one time. And I think I got it at Walmart. And like I said, I've had it for years. Probably 20 plus years. I was really happy with these. I was happier with these than the ones I made last year. Like I said, I did colored ink on colored paper, and some of them looked okay, but some of them looked kind of hard to see. So I think these turned out really pretty, and I like how classic and simple they are with the pretty wreaths around it. And you can see I used both wreaths too because I liked them both. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and it helps you with shipping mums. So please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Please be kind with your comments, and happy mum making, everyone.